Now let me ask you, why do you take water daily? This was a question by the health seminar facilitator on a favorite TV show. For the next couple minutes, she took her time to explain to us the benefits of a regular water intake. Just like water has its benefits which spans across our everyday living, physics finds its way in our everyday lives. In our everyday life, we hardly find a device in which laws of physics are not involved. For example, the air conditioners and the refrigerators are based on physics concepts of cooling by rapid evaporation, conducting properties of materials and convection. Modern-day medical workers would not be effective if not for some applications of physics in designing X-rays, ultrasounds, microscopes, electrocardiogram, pacemakers, and radiotherapy equipment. The communication sector's radio, television, satellite, space, exploration, and generation and distribution of light are all products of principles of physics. Can we do without physics in our everyday world? No, we can't. We have learned that physics is indispensable in our day-to-day living, as most gadgets that make life easy are products of physics principles like television, cell phones, medical equipment, electricity distribution. It helps us to understand the principles behind earthquakes, tsunamis, hurricanes, thunder, lightning, our DNA genes, the Earth's formation, etc. Wow, isn't physics so interesting? I'll see you in the next class.